Good Lord, look at him move.
He floats.
Yeah, he does.
He does. He floats. Boy.
Raven. Yeah, this is the... Over there it's not too bad with the mud. Up here it's just a mess.
They're having more fun than he is.
Yeah.
He's like, are y'all psychotic or what?
Yeah.
You see that tree that fell down the other night?
Uh-huh. Son, I will... Oh, quiet!
Hey!
Hey!
Ginger!
That's enough of that. Blackman says, yes, another man. I'm not alone. No more females. Woo!
What do you think?
I think they're doing great.
I think they're doing absolutely fine.
Look how...
Nobody's got hurt. Nobody's fallen. Nobody's got their heads kicked in yet. Hey, let me tell you, Lucy, when we brought her up, son, she plowed Ben's right in the chest, both back feet. And they told me she would, just to let them know that she ain't going to let them push all over.
Look at the reach. Goodness. He's got a
love it.
long reach.
I'm going to call him Floater. He floats.
Well, they said his name was 4 Mile Fred,
But it's not.
but it doesn't match the tattoos because I got up on the registry and started looking. So I want to get a better look at his lip or, wherever it is and
Yeah.
see who he really is if we can figure it out. Oh, here comes trouble.
Man.
I cannot believe he's bigger than Ginger.
The reason it's going so well. Now that's the first sign of aggression she has showed him is her pinning her ears back.
Yeah,
That's the first full sign of any kind of aggression.
But he's big enough that he's not going to put up with
He's
her
not
crap
going to put
either.
up with that.